Oh, good morning, guys. I want to got the video of my backyard because I just finished pruning the plants, ornamental plants, and some food plants. We got a calamansi over here. It looks like a lemon thing. That's a good source of vitamin C, guys. Okay. So I am now going around of what I have trimmed a while ago. This is actually a tomato. This has been alive for almost 3 years and it got fruits already again. Okay, it got fruits. So I trimmed the plants surrounding the gazebo. It looks good. Okay, I am now going around, and I am now on. I got an owl over here guarding my back garden. Okay, we got a small pond over here. Okay. And I got another owl guarding the left side of my garden. Okay, these are the hanging plants. I think this is the so-called air plant. Okay, so I got the what do you call this? Some wooden things that you could hang your plants. Okay. I'm now going to the other side, going to the pot plants. Okay. Have you seen a cactus, something like this? See? These are the pot plants now. I got some onion leaves over here. I got a bitter melon. Still onion plants. I don't buy my onion leaves. I grow it myself. So I am sure it's really organic. We got a patula thing over here. Patula. That's a Filipino vegetable delicacy, you know. These are the kamote tops. Kamote tops. I got another tomato over here, and these are my squash plants. It's almost flower time. I'm just waiting for the flowers to come out. I got still a tomato over here. I didn't plant this one. I think it came out because the seeds of the tomato was dropped. Okay. And this is the moringa plant, a Filipino delicacy, and which it got so many ingredients for our body supplement. This is the leaves for what you call this. I forgot the name of this one. Okay. So that's the end of my plants surrounding the house. I'm going back now. Okay. This is the moringa plant. I'm going back to this squash thing. The kamote tops. If you want to increase your blood hemoglobin, just boil this in water. Put a little fish oil plus chop tomatoes. And that's it. It's a very healthy thing, you know. So you don't always eat meat because meat got cholesterol, you know. These are my onion leaves. I'm going back to the other side of the backyard. Oh, these are actually my solar panels powering up my inverter inside. Okay. See it? How beautiful it is, guys? Okay. And I'm going back to where we originally came from. Okay, that's the end of our backyard. Oh, these are my tools compartment. Okay. I want to show you guys, this is an guapol. This is a guapol, you know. It got some bearing fruits already. It got so many bearing fruits. Maybe in a week or two, this will be big already. Okay, back to the calamansi. Okay, that's it.